If you're dealing with thermostat terminal screws and want solid electrical connections, picking the right screwdriver is a game changer. So, here's the thing. Thermostat terminals usually have small screws that need a flathead screwdriver, but not just any flathead will do. You want one with a wide handle because it gives you better grip and torque, making it way easier to tighten or loosen those screws without stripping them. Avoid using screwdrivers with round handles since they don't give you much control and can slip, which messes up the connection. Also, make sure the blade fits snugly into the screw slot. Too small or too big, and you'll risk damaging the screw head. If your thermostat screws look a bit worn out, switching to a slightly bigger flathead can help, but don't force it or you'll just strip the terminals. And hey, always double check that the power is off before you start fiddling with wires to avoid any shocks or damage. Taking time to use the right tools means your thermostat will work smoothly, keeping your heat or air conditioning running like a charm. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat terminal screws is using the wrong screwdriver type, like a Phillips instead of a flathead, which can strip the screws and cause bad electrical contact. Fix? Grab a proper wide-handled flathead that fits perfectly. Another common issue is using screwdrivers with round handles that don't provide enough torque, leading to loose connections that mess up your heating or cooling system. The fix is simple. Choose a screwdriver with a wide, flat handle for better control. Lastly, people often rush and over-tighten the screws, which can break the terminals or wires, causing bigger headaches. Just tighten firmly, but don't crank it down like you're assembling furniture. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and stress. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with people ready to get their home projects done right.